Impress IT Solutions, protecting West Houston businesses from PureCrypter and TorNet Backdoor threats. Jan 28, 2025. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving challenge, and Impress IT Solutions is at the forefront of protecting businesses in West Houston from emerging threats like PureCrypter and the newly identified TorNet Backdoor. These threats, part of a financially motivated phishing campaign, have been targeting businesses across various sectors, including manufacturing and logistics, since mid-2024. The threat landscape recent attacks have leveraged phishing emails designed to look like legitimate financial or order confirmations. These emails often include compressed attachments with .tdz extensions, a tactic to bypass traditional detection systems. When the attachment is opened, it deploys a .NET loader that downloads and runs PureCrypter malware directly in memory. PureCrypter then launches the TorNet Backdoor, which connects the victim's machine to the Tor anonymity network, enabling the attacker to communicate covertly. The malware is equipped with anti-debugger, anti-analysis, anti-VM, and anti-malware checks, making it particularly difficult to detect. Impress IT Solutions, your cybersecurity partner. Impress IT Solutions has been providing cutting-edge IT support and cybersecurity services to businesses in West Houston, ensuring their systems remain secure against threats like these. With proactive monitoring and advanced threat detection tools, the team at Impress IT Solutions identifies and mitigates risks before they impact operations. To learn more about how Impress IT Solutions can help your business stay secure, contact their team today. Together, we can build a safer digital environment for West Houston businesses.